What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another banger. D! What up, Snidey Nose Gang, man? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy D-Bonds back with another banger, man. Alright, so look, yo. As y'all know, recently, well, like a month ago, I purchased the RV, you feel me? And we've been chilling like a villain up here now. We're gonna have plenty of videos coming to y'all, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, you feel me? I already know y'all probably ask me like, yo, Bonds, like, where the firearm videos at? Yo, dog, it's coming. But y'all already know how I'm getting down. It's different things that I'm doing right now. I'm on a different adventure, you feel me? And y'all know who I got with me before I go further in the video.
Yo,
Yeah,
aka Tyler, as Night Those Kids.
yes, sir. Got my dude boy with me, you feel me? I have antifreeze leak. Let me show you that real fast. All right, now that y'all saw that, right? I patched it up a little earlier, right? Now, I did get a few products. This is like one of the top quality stuff. So if you did have like some type of leak or something like that, this would definitely help you out. It did help a little bit, but I wound up getting back the same way. What I did was I got some of this stuff right here. The Permatex. It's pretty good stuff. I put some on the bottom earlier. It looks pretty good, but I'm still gonna put some more on here. So me and Duba, we're about to go outside and we're gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. But make sure y'all definitely pick one of these up, man. It's really good. I highly recommend it, man. So we're gonna wind up starting it up tomorrow and see how it does. But in the meantime, let's go outside. All right. All right, good boy. Coming out, we going at the bottom. All right, good boy. Let's get down here. Oh. We under the RV. Come this way, though. Come this way. This way. Alright, so Duboy's right here. And like I told y'all, it was the piece. Y'all see with a little red? And it was leaking pretty bad. There we go. Thank you, Duboy. That's my man. My main man, Duboy. And we have put some up there. It looks okay, but we can make sure it's really tight up there. Alright, now look. You see? You gotta come closer. Alright, now look. You see this? You see it right there?
What that?
Over there. All the way to your left. Put this right.
That's so much.
Yeah. Right there. You gotta put your hand up right there and put it through there.
What is it?
Whatever that stuff at.
Yeah.
Yep. You gotta put it up all on there.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Yep. Right there.
What's this? On it?
Yeah, you gotta put it on there. Whatever that red stuff is, you gotta squeeze it on there.
Okay. Like squeeze on?
Yeah. And like press on it.
Oh my god.
There you go.
It smells like dirt coming. Ah.
Look at that you do it. Look. You do it one hand? You feel me?
Oh, it leaked out.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You got it on you?
No, almost.
Oh, dang. Almost. Dang. That's what I did so far, y'all. I put it up around and look. It could look better, but it'll be something just to hold for now. You know what I mean? And Dubé had to go in the house because he got something back of his head. That's why I had cut the video short. We're gonna see how this thing tests out tomorrow and see how it runs. I gotta clean up the rest of this stuff because I don't want this stuff to get put up on there. But make sure y'all get some of that stuff. I'm gonna let y'all know how this works. Like, this is not the real deal. This is just something temporarily, to stop the antifreeze from leaking. Because if the antifreeze is not in your car, you know how that goes. Your car gonna overheat. The radiator, your engine, everything else, causing it to shut down, and you actually blow it out, and that would suck. This right here, we're gonna see what it does tomorrow. We're gonna leave it on here for 24 hours. I put some on here way earlier, and this is like a new batch, so hopefully this will help hold the extra stuff that's on it. Tomorrow we're gonna test drive it tomorrow and see how it do.
All right, y'all, look, so it's a new day. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go check this thing out. Now I did let it sit 2 days. They say give it 24 hours, but I was like, nah, I ain't giving it no 24 hours. I'd rather just wait it out because we had to let that thing marinate. So me and Duboy, as y'all know, me and my son, I felt like we did our thing. We felt like we did a good job, and we're highly, highly, highly confident. Speaking of Duboy,
What's up, guys?
Yes, sir. So we about to go outside and check this thing out. When your antifreeze is leaking, right? Your hot and cold, like it'll go up, but it won't go all the way up. From that antifreeze leaking, it wasn't getting hot like it was supposed to, and it wasn't going to the middle. Now that we did that, we just gonna go outside and see how it look now, since it's been 2 days later. It's bright outside today. It's nice. It's supposed to be like 80 some degrees. All right, y'all. So look, we under here. Let me show y'all. I see that. It looks good. It looks really, really, really good. And I mean, me and Duboy, we did that. So we're gonna start it up and see if it have any leakage. I can see there's nothing under there. Now look at the same spot that I'm at right here. And y'all see that antifreeze leakage. Y'all see the video on the side? So I just want to show y'all that. Because sometimes it might not even just be that. It could be your bolts. Thank you. For me, it wasn't the bolts. I'm very happy about that. It was just the front end, and we just had to patch it up, as y'all can see. So it's not hard to do. We're about to go start this bad boy up. And we're going to keep it on for like at least 30 minutes. Keys right here. Let's try this baby real fast. Because we're going to test drive it too. We're going to see how this thing do. Put that key in the ignition. Get a good turn. You can see everything look good. Let's turn him on. There we go. And she up. She up and running. Let's go outside and see. Leaks. No leaks, y'all. That's good. It's a good sign. There's no leaks. No leaks, y'all. I don't know what time it is right now, but we're gonna come back in like at least 30 minutes and see how it holds up. I look on the M right now. Now that's the furthest it used to go. Never went past that end. So we're gonna see, and I'm very happy about that. It is going over the end. I'm very excited. We're gonna be coming back to y'all in 30 minutes and see how this thing do. We go drive it around the block. I'm very happy about that, man. It's on there really good. I'm proud of my son. My son, he just came down there and just was like, Dad, let me help. Like, he always helping me, so I let him do a lot of stuff with me, man. That's very educational, because if something ever happened or anything like that, my son, he'll be able to take over, and he'll know exactly what to do. He'll know exactly what the problem is. He'll know what the, you know what I mean? But not to get off topic, yo, we're gonna be back in 30 minutes, and yeah, see if we get to that R. All right, y'all, here we go. Test it out. Now, that little thing right there, that little push switch, that goes all the way up. And after that, you're ready to ride. So let's go. And here we go, y'all. Take off. All right, y'all. So look, this how we doing. Y'all were pretty good too. We're gonna drive it around the block twice.
Hello.
As y'all can see, this baby doing good. And see how this baby do. We're gonna take her around the block. You feel me? We'll take her around the block one more time. That's gonna be that. good. We're gonna set this thing there, man. See the results.
That was quick.
Sure was. So as y'all can see, it dropped down a little bit. But we're gonna go back outside and see how it's holding up right now. Because I noticed when I drive a little bit, it goes down, but I guess it goes back to, you know, cool a little bit, I guess. I don't know. Y'all leave a comment in the comment section. But let's go outside and see how it held up. We drove around the block once, but we might do it again. 1 second, y'all. All right, let's see. How'd it do? All right, y'all, it's still holding. It's still holding. So that's a good thing. That it's still holding. That's some good stuff, man. That's some real good stuff right there. Real good stuff. Everything is at its right temperature. Everything. So yeah, man, we fixed that baby, man. Shout out to my boy Do Boy. You do, man. That's what I'm talking about. Proud of you, my boy.